City Traffic Police Lahore wants to make sure that traffic wardens' interaction with citizens is digitalized so there's proof of everything. Every movement made by traffic wardens on duty will now be recorded by body-worn cameras, which will be strapped to their shoulders. The cameras will relay live footage straight into the police control room. Every camera has an emergency button to alert the control room so that backup help can be dispatched.
कैसे हैं आप? ठीक है। अच्छा, ये कैमरा चल रहा है जिसमें ऑडियो और वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है, ये ऑफिशियल कैमरा है। आपने सिग्नल वायलेशन की है जो कि कानून की खिलाफवर्जी है, उस पर आपको चालान टिकट जारी किया जाएगा। ठीक है जी, काइंडली आप अपना ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस दीजिए। अच्छा ठीक है जी, लाइसेंस आपका वैलिड है, इस पर आपको चालान टिकट जारी किया जाएगा।
The body cameras mean traffic wardens can no longer be people falsely accused of mistreatment. The body cams can make city traffic police work transparent. Each camera has a battery life of 8 to 10 hours and a recording capacity of more than 10 hours. No officer will be able to switch off the camera or remove the films and audios captured in the camera while on duty. With the help of these cameras, the movement of VIPs and VVIPs can also be monitored from the control room. When the officer's shift is done, he will return the camera to the docking station along with his identification. As soon as the camera is connected to the docking station, all of the videos taken by the officer during his duty will be automatically downloaded to the docking station. Because the docking station is linked to the command and control center's control room, all memory from the docking station is automatically transmitted to the control room.